Hello everybody! Today we are going to be building our 2018 vision board. I'm so excited because I've never done a vision board before and this is just something that's really new for me. So I want to have just a visual space to show everything that I want to do and then also my accomplishments. So as I kind of check things off on my list, I can have a visual like in front of me of the things that I've already done and it can just keep me really inspired. This year I wanted to do something a little different and I actually just saw the film The Greatest Showman and let me tell you, it is unbelievable. It is freaking amazing, guys. I loved it so much and I pulled one of the quotes from there. Please go see it. So at the end of the movie, the credits will roll and you will see this pop up on the screen and it says, "The noblest art is that of making others happy." I love this quote. It is definitely something that I already have lived by. I try to make other people happy all the time, while also you have to focus on yourself too. That is the starting point of this vision board and I'm going to grow off of that. And I'm just gonna put that right in the middle and kind of put all of the pictures around it. So I'm going to show you kind of my process, things that I do, and where I'm placing everything for this vision board, and I'm really excited. So grab your pictures and your markers and your scissors and build your vision board with me while I am building mine. Okay, so you can use a board that's as big or as small as you want, and you can use whatever pictures you want. You don't have to make it full like you see some vision boards. You can have a little bit of white space. I think it looks a lot cleaner that way too. So I just picked up this foam board. It's by Elmer's and I'm just going to be using this. It came in a pack of 2, which was a really good deal. I'm gonna use some Elmer's glue. I have some scissors and we're just gonna put this board together. Every year I try to follow a quote that will carry me through the year and help me find inspiration every day. And the one that I'm using this year is "The noblest art is that of making others happy" by P.T. Barnum. I saw The Greatest Showman and fell in love with this quote. So I'm just putting it in the middle here and I'm going to secure it with some glue. So this is the finished product. I love how this came out. I really enjoyed picking the different pieces and pictures that I wanted to have in my vision board. I added everything that is going to inspire me for 2018. One of my biggest goals in 2018 is to become more established in my industry. So I added a few publications that I would love to be published in. I added a few people that inspire me like Demi Lovato and Remy Cruz. A beauty book that Cameron Diaz wrote because I'm writing my first health and wellness book, and just a few other really exciting things. As you can see, I also added my YouTube channel, Miss Blonde Ambition, because my goal for 2018 is to have 5,000 subscribers. I know we can do it, guys, so make sure that you're subscribed to this channel. I also really want to grow my Instagram channel, and that's another one of my biggest goals that I have for 2018. And also to boost my sales in LOLA Beauty. This is my new beauty line that I have on Etsy, and it's handmade, natural shampoo, bath soak, and more. Basically, it's all natural versions of your everyday bath and beauty products. I really want to work on my dancing and perfect my singing voice. I think this board is super colorful. I also added Amy Schumer because I was her stand-in for the movie I Feel Pretty, and one of my goals is also to act more, so to be in movies and have speaking roles, and that is something that I want to accomplish. Okay everybody, so that is my vision board. I really hope that you loved it. I love it. I'm really happy with how it came out. I know that this year I am just going to stay more inspired and motivated than ever before because I have so many things to look forward to. I mean, writing my book, getting more business for my blog, more sponsorships, hopefully being in a commercial and signing with a talent agency. That's like one of my biggest goals. I love it. It's my passion. If you guys made your vision board, especially if you made it while you're watching this video, then go ahead and tag me on social media. You can use @MissBlondeAmbition. I will put it on the screen and all of my social links are down below. If you have not yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel to stay updated on all of the new and exciting things that I'm doing. Thank you so much for being a subscriber and joining our beautiful and wonderful ambitious family. I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.